XRP is prepared to go tons better, and in modern day video I'm going to be explaining to you men precisely why this is. You see, the last year might not have been the most exciting for XRP mainly. While Bitcoin became going to $70,000 per coin, XRP became seeing a little bit of motion, but not almost as lots. But XRP's time is most virtually going to be coming, and it'll be coming very quickly. And with that during mind, I want you men to be organized for while that does take place, because properly there may be going to be quite a few potential cash to be made here. So I just want to, in short, go over the records of XRP over the course of the ultimate couple of years here, because XRP become trading plenty lower than it is nowadays for a very extended period of time. And this is truly vital for what I'm about to show you guys. We can see proper here that in the give up of the bull cycle, closing time around lower back in 2022, whilst everyone becomes selling everything in XRP right here, become trading at 92 cents, after which it dropped all the mana down here to approximately 29 cents in line with coin. It became a protracted endure cycle. This is the 13th of June 2022, and we have been trading around this level with multiple exceptions for quite a long time. It wasn't until 2023 July, wherein we had the SEC ruling that of direction XRP is in the security, that we went from 45 cents per coin proper here, all of the way up to 92 cents according to coin over the direction of, you realize, a very quick time period. I imply that turned into literally like unmarried day 2x on XRP's chart. Now, the purpose why I need to show you men this, and why I want to speak about this in particular, is you may observe a completely common topic with XRP. Every single time that there may be a fine court ruling in XRP's want, it gets huge, charge will increase. But what almost happens each single time after that is then there's a very steep correction within the coming weeks. Right now, we are searching at a weekly candlestick chart. What you can see proper right here, in a single week, XRP went from 45 cents proper here, 92 cents right here, a 2x growth in price. But then over the path of the next 5 weeks, XRP went down to 45 cents a coin once more. So it went right backtrack to the equal level that it became over the course of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. That's honestly vital, because that is clearly a common subject nearly every single time that XRP has a very sizable boom in charge. Now you can see proper here, of course, during the last bull cycle when XRP was getting a ton of quantity simply because of the liquidity that changed into getting into the bull cycle. Every unmarried cryptocurrency became getting this. XRP over again hit its all-time high, and then approximately 8 weeks later we then noticed a virtually solid correction, after which a route we stored shifting down from there. But regardless of that, we have had a pair of other green candles these days, in which is nicely. Right here is a high quality instance, July of 2024 this year. We can see XRP turned into at 38 cents in line with coin. The following week it went as excessive as 56 cents, and the week after that it went up to 63 cents. Peaking at 63 cents right here, and then all of a sudden after hitting its 65 cent mark, it did cross down to 51 cents again, go into reverse to comparable degrees as to where it turned into buying and selling before all of those green candles. And so this is what I've been speaking about in my trading companies, and that is how I've been helping a variety of human beings make a number of money trading XRP, is we have got to understand this. This is the fashion that XRP has. We get a superb ruling within the court docket case, and we get a big pump up, a large amount of liquidity, even in an endure cycle, and then we see a correction over the direction of the following few weeks. And it's something which you genuinely need to expect with XRP, but all over again, while XRP is going down, and we do see that, you recognize it has gotten a strong correction, like of direction right here, July 1st. It's additionally a first-rate possibility to buy XRP. You can get it at 38 cents according to coin proper here. That's virtually out of the ordinary. And then in case you're selling it over here, you will be making a first-rate amount of cash. And so I realize a question a whole lot of you'll ask is, whilst is XRP going to start to see a number of considerable rate movement like we noticed back inside the 2021 cycle? And the answer to this is clearly exceedingly easy. We need to move again, and we want to ask ourselves the question returned in 2021. Why did XRP see such big charge growth? Right here, of root, we are able to see that XRP went as high as $1.67 in step with coin. That is obviously insane due to the fact now, not even a few weeks before that, XRP was trading at 24 cents in keeping with coin. So how does XRP pass up 8x in rate over the course of, I do not know, like 8 weeks? Well, that is virtually due to one aspect, and this is of root liquidity available to markets. There's an absolutely exciting stat that I discovered approximately XRP very these days, and that is that 6 out of 10 XRP holders have been keeping their asset ever, because for the last 365 days. So all and sundry who's here nowadays, 2024, possibilities 6 out of 10 of you have been holding your asset and likely even shopping for a touch bit greater, which, I mean, I assume, frankly, every person have to do for the ultimate 12 months. That is an insane statistic. If you do compare that to, I don't know, just like the SP 500 within the stock market, it's miles significantly a better of a stage. And so a whole lot of humans question me this query all the time. They're like, Kay, if we understand we've got 6 out of 10 humans protecting this asset, why are we seeing such unstable fee actions? Why are we seeing, you already know, such big quantities of price action and then corrections taking place thereafter if you recognize there's so much of the circulating deliver locked up in human beings as private wallets? This is sincerely a virtually exciting example due to the fact this virtually creates greater volatility. Many people suppose the extra that human beings hold, the much less unstable an asset will be. That's clearly now not true in any respect. I want to parallel and snatch an instance from the stock marketplace for a few current enterprise launches which have passed off. They become this cannabis business enterprise that currently launched in Canada. What the founders of this challenge did is that they held 95% of the publicly to be had shares because they stated, we truly trust on this product. We're now not going to sell our shares, we're simply going to keep them all. And so there has been best 5% of their standard stocks to be had to the public. And what passed off became the general public went into a frenzy. They all commenced buying and racing for those 5% available stocks. And because of that, the inventory price went absolutely insane. We noticed a 200% boom over the course of months. And the motive for that is because there was one of these limited deliver, however so much demand for it. And that is a path what we're on the point to see for XRP. Because over the course of the closing 365 days, as I've been citing, 6 out of 10 people have been holding their XRP now, not selling at all. And that quantity actually just went as much as 7 out of 10. That is sincerely absurd. If you observe the previous few months, the quantity of humans which can be identifying to hold their XRP is most effective going up. And so what we are beginning to see with XRP is the available liquidity within the market is going down. And as soon as we get to a positive degree, perhaps we are 8 out of 10 people are constantly maintaining their XRP and now maybe constantly dollar price averaging in and buying, but now not promoting there's going to be what is referred to as a liquidity crunch. And this is when we see a number of capital, a variety of liquidity come into the XRP community unexpectedly. The next element, we get the ones 200% gains, 300% profits, perhaps even 600% gains, like we noticed during the last bull cycle. I suppose clearly this is extremely in all likelihood to manifest based totally off of the traits. Because if you take a look at the preceding bull cycle lower back in 2021, if we are going to pass back right here, just for a quick moment, what you may see is throughout this period of time wherein you may appearance up is that there has been absolutely a very similar phenomenon occurring. Leading up to those massive rallies, the quantity of people that were holding XRP became surely going up incrementally, almost each single month during the last 3 months. It went from 6 out of 10 people preserving their XRP to 7, to eventually 8. And then what took place turned into the right hurricane. We noticed billions of greenbacks come into Bitcoin, which then trickled down into altcoins. XRP noticed a big role of that total quantity come into the ecosystem.